ubuwazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu umnyama uSathane umhlophe ubukwazi lokho phela angithi uzokhumbula ukuthi kwakune void uyabona lento oyibona mangabe ucimezile le emnyama nje imnyama nje ithe soco abanye bayibona mabe meditate ungazi ukuthi bayandiza bayaflotha yabona ke ilapho esisuka khona ke lapha ekhaya kwa spiritual ilapho ke ehlele khona la father kwathi makusuka lapho kwenzekalani kwakhona ilight leyo light iyona izocreate iduality ukuthi kube khona okuhle nokubi angithi uyabona ke yilokho kubiza ngoSathane ke wena the negatively charged electrons ukuba weka ama electrons ngaba sinayo phela lempilo esinayo njengamanje angithi uyabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu umnyama uSathane umhlophe phela iduality lento ibiza ngoSathane wena le othi wena yathi akube khona lokho yathi when uzuzibona ukuthi umbethe wena Adam nawe Eva uze nizibona anibethe okusho ukuthi lapho uyisiqalo santo ekuthiwa ukuhlukanisa sehlukaniswa kahle nje ungahlukanisa uthini mawucimezile nje ucimeze yabo lo bumnyama lo bungahlukanisa kanjani ukuthi iphansi la iphezulu la ungahlukanisa kanjani there's no duality that is where uthola khona ipeace that is where uthola khona uthando that is where kuphela khona inkinga kodwa aqala wabheka ziyaqala futhi inkinga ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona into ocabanga ukuthi iyona possibilities are infinite in the universe your own consciousness is your own limitation kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona abanye zithi mase ibabambe kahle inkinga ngathi umuntu yazi nje angathi ngavele ngilale ngingavuke mayiselala uvela acimeza angithi uyacimeza indaba acimeza khona kuzoba mnyama mase kumnyama khona kuzoba ukuthi nje pheshe angisekho sengikuphi sengikubaba sengikufada ake make ngaphaphama awe ma sengibuyile sekukhona ukukhanya sekumhlophe futhi kusho ukuthi awu sekune reality nangoku uSathane madoda sengiyabona ukuthi khona mina khona enye into ingakho ngithi uSathane kumhlophe uSathane ke ungambiza ngendlela eziningi wena lo uthanda ukumbiza ngayo scientific wise quantum physics wise quantum mechanics religious wise kukwena social wise cultural wise but ekugcineni yonke le nto iyobe isho the negative vibration of energy yabo the feminine energy angithi yazi ukuthi umhlaba is negatively charged uyabo umhlaba is negatively charged feminine there's nothing negative about feminine it means the lack of that's what it means by negatively charged feminine lack of that is why it is lacking that energy that we impress on it yabo it's a pole this is just a pole nothing much nothing less angithi yazi ukuthi kunento positive no negative so ke angifuni ukuthi ngigcine kakhulu ku quantum physics ngaleyo ndlela but into kumele uyazi nje wena ilento ukuthi uyabona ngisho sewulala nje uyacimeza ngisho ushonile uvalwa amehlo uyabo yonke kusho ukuthi uzama ukubuyela lapha manje lento yobumnyama ublack uzama ukubuyela kufather uzama ukubuyela kuspiritual that is why bethi iwi underworld dark world yabo where there is a void there is nothingness uyabona ke lapho ila khona ipeace lapho ku nothingness ku void ku blackness yabo that is why I say God is black so kukwena ukuthi ufuna ukuthatha ngayiphi indlela ngiyabo but into yakuzelana yonke lento leyo ubhekene nayo nje manje ile lithiwa yini iduality yabo iduality so ke ampile ngiqhubeke nenkulumo yami yabona mase manifest negative ke mfethu umanifesta ngendlela eziningi kodwa kusala ukuthi uyamdinga in fact nje singasho ukuthi uyamdinga vele uSathane yabo uyamdinga nje uSathane mfethu ayikabi yabo udinga overcome ke by the way umdingele ukuthi nje overcome yabo yeah just like we need both gender or like both of these biological energies ukwazi ucreate ingane ngithi yabo uzasho lapha umbhali kwincwadi yakhe ilokhungana outwitting the devil uNapoleon Hill athi la me interview khona udevil asho udevil ukuthi mina what I do I'm just a negative energy that is not I don't have a body I'm not earthbound like you but I possess your minds yabo how which are those weapons that you use when to conquer us, to control us? As I use fear, that is the first weapon I use. Oh, okay, there's fear of poverty, fear of death, and so on. 6 fears that are there, but the fear of poverty and the fear of death, that's one I use it the most. So mu check like with fear. Energy. Fear is energy. What kind? What kind of energy? A negative one. Kwi scale of consciousness, if fear iyavela as a negative energy. Munye wa up the ladder ku 200, kukhona courage. We are going up the scale. Yabo, so God and devil or Nkulunkulu no Satan, as you know it, it's just 2 poles of the same coin. Yabo, if you go down, you get devil. If you go up, you get God. Simple. It's just energy that is divided into 2. Was divide vele yena. Yabo, was divide njengoba ubumnyama nokukhanya. Was divide njengalokhu nalokhu. Uyabo, inje enga involve into ezu2 la emhlabeni. Yonke into involve 2 things nje. 2 things involved. Ngisho ngaphuma the variety of things, but ekugcineni 2 things. And more to revert back. We revert back to one thing you do. Yabo, it's just that. So second part of it, kungani pho uthola ukuthi kubuka sengazuthi uSathane umningi kakhulu okunoNkulunkulu la empilweni, mhlawumbe yakho ke in general noma yomunye umuntu ubona ngathi uthi ayingeke man, la ngathi uthi sesihogweni impela, la kubusa impela uSathane vela ngithi ngisho lathi negative charge la sikhona. So the thing is it's all about mind. Yes, ngoba njengoba ngikutshela nje mina nithi vele ucapture umqondo, it's all about mind. Umqondo nawo unama poles nawo ngokwawo, yabo, unama poles nawo, unama vibration nawo ngokwawo, yabo. So angifuni ngena kakhulu kuona, but ngizoyisho ukuthi why ke kuloko kubonakala negative more than positive in this life or in people's lives. Ingoba kumele u-exert will. Positive usebenza nge-will. You have to exert your will when a willpower to suppress or not even to suppress, to overcome low negative low Satan lo, yabo, because inkinga abantu they don't want to exercise will because bangamavili, yabo. Kunzima again uvela to revert back to the default mode. Default mode is negative because you are in this negative pole, yabo. That is why the force of gravity is pulling everything down. It's because of that negative things are attracted down, yabo. So kumele exert will, abe ne will ukuthi I'm exercising my will that I'm not gonna fail. I'm not going to experience this fear. So like kumele ukuthi ayenze nge will, ngeke uvele nje uzizwe umnandi, uzizwe uhappy, uzizwe ujabulile, uzizwe at peace. Lezo zinto uzenza at free will and it takes energy. So because it takes energy, they just revert back to fear and all these negative kinds of energy. And by so doing, you are going to put your attention to izinto ezihambelana nalomqondo wakho, yabo. Ayinendaba iuniverse ukuthi wena awuyifuni into embi, ayinendaba nalokho. Inendaba nokuthi wena into embi attention yakho ibekile kuyona. Ukuthi awuyifuni doesn't mean anything. Let me make an example, just like here on TikTok. UTikTok awunendaba ukuthi wena ubuka labantu and bakudina, ubabukela ukuthi bakudina nje, uya just analyze ukuthi yini lento abayenzayo umsangano kanje, ngeke ngiyenze lento. uTikTok awunandaba ukuthi wena we are just feeling negative about these people. TikTok will going to bring more of these people because ubona wena ubabuka, yabo. Kanti uTikTok awunandaba ukuthi wena uyababuka and you don't love them. You are just watching them just to criticize them. So all these things that you do, good people need now. We don't want all these bad things, but you are focusing on these bad things just because you don't want them. But you are focusing on this is the universe. I now don't. Ayinandaba nelokhungana nature. Yeah lokhungana attention yakho. Inendaba ne-content. Not nature. Content. What is it that you are aware of? Not what you don't like it or you like it. It doesn't matter. Yabo? So ngiyabona abantu abaningi laba babhala la ku-comment section bathi awuphinde lo Akashian wakho kutholakala khona chart reading. Akashian njengoba ungizwa nje, angithi mina ngu-Akasha. Akashian, IAN, sengakulungisa kusawuyena u-AI. IAN, Akashian Media, www.akashianmedia.co.za. Yayizwa lona.